Introduction. Welcome to our video on coding attention mechanisms, an essential chapter in understanding modern NLP models. Today, we will explore the challenges of working with long sequences and how attention mechanisms address these issues, culminating in the implementation of multi-head attention. The problem with modeling long sequences present a significant challenge for traditional models like RNNs. These models often fail to retain critical information due to vanishing gradients. For example, in long sentences, capturing data dependencies with attention mechanisms. Attention mechanisms revolutionize sequence modeling by dynamically focusing on relevant parts of the input. This approach ensures that relationships between distant tokens are preserved, enabling the model to handle long-range dependencies effectively. Attending to different parts of the input with self-attention further refines this concept. It examines how each token relates to all other tokens in the sequence. For example, in the sentence "the bird flew over the hill," self-attention helps the model connect bird with flew while ignoring less relevant words, a simple self-attention mechanism without trainable weights. Self-attention without trainable weights relies purely on token similarity scores. This basic approach provides a foundation for understanding token relationships without adding complexity. Computing attention weights for all input tokens. Attention weights quantify the importance of each token. These weights are calculated by normalizing the similarity scores, ensuring the model prioritizes the most relevant connections. 3.4 Implementing self-attention with trainable weights. Trainable weights bring adaptability to self-attention mechanisms. By learning task-specific parameters, the model refines how it allocates attention across tokens. Computing attention weights step by step. Attention involves creating query, key, and value vectors for each token. These vectors are used to compute the scaled dot product attention scores, which guide the model in focusing on meaningful relationships. Hiding future words with causal attention. In tasks like language modeling, causal attention ensures that predictions are based only on preceding tokens. A causal mask blocks future tokens, preserving the sequence's natural flow. Applying a causal attention mask, the causal mask applies a triangular pattern that hides future words. This ensures the model doesn't cheat by looking ahead during training. Masking additional attention weights with dropout. Dropout adds randomness by masking certain attention weights during training. This technique reduces overfitting and enhances the model's robustness. Extending single-head attention to multi-head attention. Multi-head attention splits the input into multiple heads, each focusing on different token relationships. This parallel processing captures richer dependencies within the sequence, stacking multiple single-head attention layers. By stacking attention layers, the model builds deeper, hierarchical representations. Each layer refines the relationships learned in the previous one, implementing multi-head attention with weight splits. In multi-head attention, weight matrices are divided across heads, allowing each head to learn unique patterns. The outputs are then concatenated to form a comprehensive representation. Conclusion: attention mechanisms, from self-attention to multi-head configurations, form the backbone of modern NLP. By mastering these concepts, we unlock the potential to build powerful, context-aware systems.